Hey guys, Charles here and welcome to the channel. So I decided to get myself a tablet and I got myself an iDino Notebook 6, which is a 5G tablet according to what I can see here. It looks like it's nice and it's actually my birthday, so I got this for myself as a birthday gift. And let's get to take a look at it. Let's get to unbox and do a quick review so that if you're thinking of buying a tablet, you can probably decide. This is called iDino. I don't know if the right pronunciation is iDino or iDino Delight Ever Notebook 6 5G. It runs on Android 11. And from here, they're saying it can support Netflix. And then there is IB's Paint X, Xender. They're saying it has unbreakable touchscreen. I don't know how true is that. Of course, every screen is breakable, so don't be tempted to believe that there's any screen which is unbreakable. So, of course, this is how it looks like. And let's get to review it. The specification, it's having 5G network, so you can actually run it on 2G, 3G, 4G, and even 5G if it is supported in your country. It runs on Android 11, and then it has a screen resolution of 1280 by 800. 8 megapixel of camera, the front camera, and then 8 megapixel also back camera. The screen size, it is 10.1 inches, and the RAM is 6 GB with a storage of 256 GB. Wow, that's amazing. Now for someone like me who is a content creator, I do make videos, this really means a lot to me. It has a battery capacity of 6,000 and should be a good battery. Now this tablet comes in about 4 colors. There is black, there is green, I'm seeing gray, and then another one looks more like brown. And here they're saying it comes with a free gift. But of course that's what we are about to see here. Is the free gift really here, or they have just put to attract people? They're saying it comes with a pen. I think this should be the pen for the tablet. And then it comes with a wireless earbuds, Bluetooth mouse, and a keyboard. Wow, that's amazing. You can get this if you're in Uganda. I got this at around 450,000 Uganda shilling. So I guess you can as well get, and if you need it, let me know and I'm surely going to let you know. Now iDino Notebook 6 is the direct successor of iDino Notebook 5. There's Notebook 3, Notebook 4, Notebook 5, and of course there's Notebook 6. So it's a brand new tablet sealed in the box. So let's get to break the seal and we see what exactly is inside here, and we can probably get to see more. So this is how it is. Okay, wow. So this phone is made in China, and upon opening the box, you'll be welcomed with a warranty card, of course in Chinese, and I don't know if this warranty card really works or not, but then of course the real baby itself is right here, the iDino tablet. It's somehow heavy, and I believe that should be a good sign for the battery. So this is how it looks, and there's a front camera right here, right in the middle. iDino Delight Ever. It's a Notebook 6. Facebook, Zoom, is Office, Netflix, and all this. So here they're saying that please charge 6 hours before first time use. I haven't really seen that, but I'll make sure I do that. So this is what the back look like. There's a back camera. The information I got shows that this is 8 megapixel. I'm seeing about 3 cameras and a flashlight, and it's a nice design. I like the design, and looks so amazing. So let's get to see. And of course on the left there is this should be the power button, and then the volume button, and then we have this should probably be the microphone. That's what we are going to find out shortly. So let's put it aside and keep on opening. There's still more actually to discover here inside the box. So this is how it is, and wow, there's something else here that we're yet to see. I think this is the keyboard and probably the case. This is how it looks. You also get to see the keyboard and the case. Let's get to open it also and see what it is. Looks more like keyboard. So this is it. It's a nice design. Looks more like leather. I don't know if it's leather. And when you open it, right, it's very true. This is a keyboard. Looking so nice. Very nice keyboard. I like the design, and I hope this is a nice phone. Then of course you also get the case. This is the case, how it looks like. So let's put this. It's a nice and portable one. We also have there's another card I'm seeing here. This is probably the user manual. Then there's another thing here. Lastly, there's something here. Let's get to see what it is. There are about 4 things here. We have the charger. There is an wireless earbud, USB cable. It's a Type-C USB cable, and of course the pen itself. This is so nice. This is iDino Notebook 6. If you're thinking of getting yourself a lower budget tablet, this could probably work for you. And I got it at 450,000 Uganda shilling only. You could probably get this for yourself, and it would be helpful. Thank you so much for watching this unboxing and reviews. I hope it has helped you. It has given you an idea. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos from me. I'll see you in my next video.